Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can download FFmpeg. So what is it for? FFmpeg or FFmpeg is actually a tool or a dependency of Python that you can use in order for you to save your animation in a video format. So Python itself cannot do that, but using a third-party app using FFmpeg, you're able to do that, save your animation in video format. Alright, so um, there are tons of Python wrappers, but blah blah. So you need to install it from a yeah. So FFmpeg is actually a cross-platform solution to record and um, yeah, convert it into a video format. So that's the purpose of FFmpeg. Okay, so we copy this and then we can actually open CMD or your command prompt. Gonna open it and put it on on your screen. There we go. Then paste that, pip install, then we'll try to install. Successfully installed. Alright, so there we go. Then let's try if we have the same package that needs to be installed. How about this? Alright, so I have read something like this, and there's an instruction that I have to get ffmpeg git full.7v SHA-256 can, and it's downloading. The problem with this process is it's not directly saved in the root folder, so cutting and pasting the folder might require you to set up the path to the particular folder so that it can execute FFmpeg. There it is. We are done downloading, and then we need to install. So to install, we open the folder, or we need to show it in folder. So it's in our downloads, and we have to extract it here. Extract. Then extract the files here. In any case, you will be able to have FFmpeg, and your computer will decide what version is to be kept. So the latest version has the priority to be kept. Alright, so you will see that there is another folder right here, which is FFmpeg. Then you have to cut it. Okay, so if you open this folder, you will see a lot of codes. These are codes. We have to cut that and paste that in our root folder. Okay, so it's in drive C. So you go to drive C, local disk C, and then put it here. So after you have downloaded the a file and have extracted it and cut and pasted it in your root folder, you can now proceed to the next step, which is setting up the path. So you go ahead and open your environment variables. So there are ways on how you can call that. So you can actually type here environment variables, and it will pop up. So you have to click this and then open it, and then afterwards you're gonna be shown these things, and then you click the path and then edit. Okay, and or new, click new. Here what you're gonna put here is the address of the folder. Alright, so you go back to local disk C, and then go ahead and open the bin, then copy the path. Okay, so copy the path, and we are going to put it in here. So click new and then paste it here, and then okay, click OK. So your changes will be saved. So the path now is now changed, therefore it is installed correctly. I hope so. Alright, path, there we go, we follow that, and then yeah, there it is. Type if you place Mm-hmm. So I hope that it is properly installed, and I hope guys to work on your end. So in the next video, we'll try to run um, the Python that can do the animation thing.